Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you guys how I prepare this delicious egg and mushroom sauce. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have my palm oil alternative. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I have some spices, a little bit of spinach, diced pepper, mushroom, and that mushroom is what I ordered versus what I got. And I have some egg. I'll go ahead and whisk the egg and then set it aside. Added some oil into the pan and allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added my chopped onion and then I stir fry it for a couple of minutes just to add flavor into the oil and just for the onion to soften a little bit. Once that is fried very well, I go ahead and add all my diced pepper. Added the mushroom as well, and I go ahead and add all the spices. I'm making use of curry, thyme, seasoning cube and salt and some garlic powder. Feel free to add any spices of your choice. I stir everything together, add a tiny bit of water because the sauce is dry, there is no any water inside. Cover the pot and then allow it to cook until it's completely done. The sauce is perfectly cooked right now. I reduce the heat to the lowest and then I give it a quick stir. And I go ahead and just add the egg that we whisked earlier. And I'm going to cover the pot and allow the egg to set for a couple of minutes. This about 3 minutes later, back to the pot, I gently move the egg around and then I cover it back and allow to cook until it's completely done. You guys know that egg burn easily, that is why I just stir it a little bit and cover it back so everything can cook perfectly well. And back to the pot, I just opened the pot and then I had my spinach. I lost that part, I am very sorry guys. Once I had the spinach, I cover it back and then allow it to steam for about a minute or so. And that is it guys. I give it a final good stir and our egg sauce is ready. You guys, the egg sauce is so delicious. You can enjoy with plantain, with rice, with bread, with boiled potato, with boiled yam. It's absolutely delicious guys. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.